Welcome to our session, Precipitation Partitioning by Vegetation, which is part of the virtual 2020 fall meeting hosted by the American Geophysical Union. We're excited to introduce the overall topic and the research being presented. Of course, thanks so much to the scientists who've joined us to present their work. This attention on how plant canopies intercept, drain, and transpire rain, snow, and other types of precipitation are needed. After all, the first interaction between precipitation and the land surface is often with a plant canopy. This water wets leaves, bark, and the plants on the plants, epiphytes, all of which may take a sip for themselves if they're able. As it drains, this water can seem to defy gravity by clinging to the undersides of branches, then fill reservoirs above our heads, like tree holes and pitcher leaves. All the while, evaporative forces are at work, pooling a portion back to the atmosphere. These storage and evaporation processes are called, collectively, interception. The water that does drain can drip as throughfall or drain to the stem base via stemflow. Both of these fluxes can be locally voluminous or even scant. But if the local flux is voluminous, it still may be a boon or a bane to the receiving ecosystems, depending on the solutes and particulates carried within. Even when precipitation has passed through the canopy gauntlet and infiltrated into the soils below, it is still within the reach of plants, and may be plucked from the soils by roots and transpired back to their atmospheric origins. Well, we are excited and grateful to have presenters discussing research that collectively touches on all of these aspects across a wide range of plant types, settings, and scales. From the tussock grasslands of the Andes to forested plantations in Japan and the forested watersheds of Vermont and the Czech Republic. There are also cross-site studies from the southeastern U.S. and the German Terrestrial Environmental Observatory Network, as well as new methods to quantify and scale states and fluxes, some of them having been long elusive, like monitoring the amount of precipitation stored on structurally complex plant canopies. So please feel free to post questions and comments for each presentation in their own video. Thanks again, and we hope these presentations spark further discussion and inspire future work.